Hello children, today we are going to look at the four conditionals. I am going to begin with a general overview of the conditionals. In English, we have four conditionals: 0, first, second, and third. Each conditional has an if clause, comma, and a main clause. The if clause gives us situation and the main clause gives us a result. The 0 and the first conditionals express real, possible conditions and results. The second and third conditionals express impossible, hypothetical, unreal conditions and results. So let's begin. Let's begin with 0 conditional. Condition, result. If plus present simple, present simple. We use the 0 conditionals to express real conditions and results. For example, if the wind blows, the trees move. If I drink coffee after 3 p.m., I don't sleep at night. First conditionals. Conditional, result. If plus present simple, will plus infinitive. You might know it as a what is infinitive? Yes, you might know it as a base form verb. Base form is verb number 1. Ate, eat, eaten. Ate is my infinitive. Talk, talked, talked. Talk is also my infinitive. We use the first conditional for a possible future condition and its possible future result. For example, if we don't leave soon, we will miss our train. Next example, if I'm late for work again, I might lose my job. Okay, second conditional. Conditional, result. If plus past simple with plus infinitive. We use the second conditional to speak about an imaginary, unreal, hypothetical, present or future condition, plus its imaginary, unreal results. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a mansion. You can see this is unreal conditional and impossible results. Next. Examples is, if I were shorter, I would wear heels more. This is unreal conditional and impossible results. Third conditional. Condition, results. If plus past perfect would have plus past participle. We use the third conditionals to speak about a past, unreal, impossible situation, condition, plus its impossible result. So, third conditional is all about the past. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed my exam. In reality, I didn't study hard, so in reality, I didn't pass my exam. So, I really hope this lesson was helpful. Thank you for attention.